Okay, for homework number 3, which is the item number 4, we're going to solve for the limit of y cubed plus 8 all over y plus 2 as y approaches to negative 2. The concept of limit is you're just going to directly substitute the number in the lower portion. So you're going to substitute it to y, but the problem is if you directly substitute it, this will be undefined, so not possible. Therefore, we have to simplify this first. Okay, so pwedeng ito muna ang i-extract ko para hindi masyadong mahirap isulat. Ano ba yung equivalent niya? So, pwede nating i-express, since may cube pala, tandaan mo na yun na, that will be y cube, then a number raised to 3 that results to 8 is 2. You have to cube. 8 po yan. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. Then, that will be y plus 2. Then, from the special products na nirecall natin from the algebra, pag meron kang sum of 2 cubes, that will be y plus 2. So, susulat mo lang siya. And then, from here, square po yung first term, then minus. Kung plus yan, minus to. Okay, then multiply lang. Wala pong 2 sa unahan. Y times 2 lang. Hindi siya 2, y times 2, no. Y times 2, then plus 2 squared. All over y plus 2. So, you can check it naman. Kunyari, distribute nyo. Kailangan, pag na-distribute lahat, ito ang magiging answer. So, that's how you check it. And makikita nyo, pwede na nating makancel ito. So, itong part na to is equal to y squared minus 2y. And then, the 2 squared is equal to 4. So, pwede na tayong mag-solve ngayon ng limit as y approaches to negative 2 nito, ni y squared minus 2y plus 4. So, substitute natin. So, that will be negative 2 squared. Ayun. Minus 2 times negative 2 ang y natin. And then, plus 4. So, if you're not sure kung ano magiging answer, walang problema. You can always use, parenthesis, negative 2 na naka-square minus 2 times negative 2, then plus 4. So, the answer will be, ayan, 12. Para sure, kasi madami talaga ako nakita na dahil doon, nagkakaroon ng mali. Okay? So, that's the answer for item number 4.